Hi. Hi.
Good morning, guys. So it's bright and early. It's 7:40. We're actually running late. We need to get out of here, but we are headed to Emmy's soccer game and change of plans because this one was supposed to go to my mom so that she wasn't out in the cold and stuff in the morning, but she woke up too late, so now Daddy will be staying home with her and we're going to be going to soccer. So I wanted to show you guys this sweater really quick before I leave. Let me show you here. This is not the most flattering mirror, but I don't really like this. Like, it's a little frumpy. Like, the arms are kind of wingish, I feel like, and this doesn't, like, it's big. I don't know if I just got like a too big of size or what. I'm gonna wear it today. I already took the tag off of it, but I don't know that I'm loving this. Like, look, it kind of makes me look a lot wider. I was gonna record you singing. Why? You sound so cute. Kick it hard, Mama.
Emma! Emily, turn around! The ball!
Good job. Turn it around.
Good job. Ready, here we go. 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 Wait, look at the ball. There you go, Adele. Cut him off, Adele. Oh, good job.
Oh, good job. Get in there, Emmy. Good job. Good job, Mama.
Here he comes, here he comes. Yeah!
Woo! Good game, guys. Good game. Awesome job.
Awesome job.
Go Zebras. Good job, baby. Gave it a good shot. But listen to me, you just gotta focus more, okay? You gotta run really hard and be aggressive.
Mommy, let me get her.
Second game. Come on, go Zebras! Turn it around! Emmy's goalie. Emmy's usually goalie. Kick in, come on, Mama.
Pick up the ball.
You could just make it up. You could just make it up.
Good try, good kick. Hard kick, Mama. Good job. Turn it around. Good job. Come on, guys. Get it. Woohoo! Good job. Good job. Yeah, I got it. Awesome. Come on. Run, guys. Run. Good kick. Good kick. Be ready, Emmy. Be ready.
Good job, Adele. Get Emmy.
Woo! Good job, Mama. Go, 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 go. I'm sure you guys are wondering where the rest of the vlog went. Well, I woke up this morning. I'm not naked, by the way. I have on a tank top, just in case you're wondering. I woke up this morning kind of nauseous and feeling sick, like I had had something yesterday that didn't settle right with me, and so I just kind of went about my day. I had a little breakfast sandwich, and then I also had a donut at Emmy's soccer game. And just the whole drive home, I could not, like, I seriously felt like my mouth was watering, like I was going to throw up. And I'm sorry if this is TMI, it's going to get worse. So if you have sensitive ears then or sensitive stomach, don't listen. So I got home and I threw up a couple of times, but I still got ready and everything. We were supposed to go to the Winter Fest and I really wanted to go. So I was like, I'm just going to tough it out. It's probably just something I ate. It'll pass. Well, it didn't pass. And if you guys know what an emesis bag is, I have some from the hospital and God, it was awful. Bia was with us, my mom was with us. We were driving to Helotes to go to the Helotes Winterfest, and I was just puking the entire way there, puking the entire way back. My brother and sister-in-law met us too, and we just didn't, like, the whole time on the bus was like, we can't go. I was like, I finally came to the realization that there's no way I was going to make it. Like, there's absolutely no way that I'm gonna make it. We headed back and it just was a nightmare the whole way home. I started getting chills. My back was hurting me so bad from being in the car. I was vomiting like crazy. It just was awful. And I got to the point where I was dry heaving because I really didn't have much in my stomach. I'd already thrown everything up. So when we got home, I just immediately laid down and went to bed. So luckily, Maddie came home with us to take a nap and everything. But luckily, my brother, sister-in-law, Bia, and my mom still took the bigger kids and my youngest nephew to the children's museum, so they still got to have fun. Unfortunately, Maddie didn't get to, but I don't have any footage or anything from that because I literally slept from like 2:15 to 6, and it's 7:45 right now, and I am feeling a lot better. I woke up somewhere in between there and threw up one time, and I'm feeling a lot better. I was able to keep down a little bit of applesauce and some water. I took some Tylenol because I want to make sure I keep my fever down, but also I had a pounding headache from vomiting all day. It just was truly not, it was like the worst sick day that I've had in a really long time. I was telling Andres at one point, my stomach hurt so bad I thought I was rupturing my appendix. Like, it hurt so bad. It was awful. Thank goodness I'm feeling a lot better now. I'm still like weak because I have nothing in my system aside from a little bit of applesauce. I feel dehydrated, like my mouth is dry, and I feel gross. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm really sorry. Luckily, I got some good amount of footage this morning from Emmy's games and stuff, but I think I'm just going to film a Q&A when I get the girls in bed, and so I can answer you guys' questions, and then I'm going to call it a night. I'm really sorry. I've worked really hard to try and make sure I had vlogging footage every day for you guys, and today all I kept thinking as I was vomiting, I'm like, oh, I'm not going to get to film anything. So I'm sure you can hear the girls in the background. Hey, you guys want to say hi? Madeline, Emmy.
Yes?
You want to say hi?
Yeah. Hi. Daddy, say hi.
Hi.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Maddie. So want to tell everyone what you ended up doing today?
I went to the museum and Maddie stayed home and had fun with Daddy and watched some TV. And there's like, at the museum, we can touch anything because it was all for kids.
Yeah, was it fun?
Yes.
Grandma told me y'all had a lot of fun.
Yes, we did
That's
have
good.
a lot of fun.
I'm glad.
Love fun.
Yeah, I know. You had to stay at home with Daddy.
Hi,
huh?
Mommy.
Hi.
Love fun.
So it was fun. My mom said that they had a really good time, and that's all I really cared about is that they had fun. And poor Abby, when I came down, she was like, I'm sorry, Mommy, I missed all the fun. I was like, I know, me too. But I'm just so grateful to be feeling better because honestly, you guys, I have not felt that sick in a long time. I probably still look haggard, but I feel a lot better, which I'm so grateful for. So anyway, this next part will be the Q&A where I'll catch up on all y'all's questions, and then tomorrow, hopefully I'm still feeling okay and this doesn't come back overnight or anything, and I can vlog some more fun things for you guys. So I'm coming on here to look at the questions that I thought you guys were leaving me, and apparently my Vlogmas Day 4 didn't even upload. I could have sworn, see, it says 94% upload, 8 minutes remaining. I could have sworn it uploaded, and apparently not. And I left so early this morning and was sick the rest of the day that I didn't even notice. So now I have to spend the time uploading Vlogmas Day 4 and Day 5. I'm so upset. Now I don't even have questions really to answer for you guys. Alright, it's uploading again, but it's going to take 160 minutes, which is ridiculous. I need much faster internet. So I have that uploading, and I'm going to edit this video right now, but unfortunately I won't be able to have any Q&A or have any questions answered because I pretty much have answered all the questions from the other videos, and the questions that I thought I was going to have from this video aren't there. So it is what it is. I should have paid better attention. I could have sworn in the middle of the night though I shut my laptop because I saw that it was uploaded, but apparently not. So my bad. I won't let that happen again, and I'll just get this video up. And I apologize that it's so short and it's a little lackluster with events and stuff in it, but as I said, I was really just not feeling good. So anyway, tomorrow should be a better vlog, I'm hoping, and the desk works, so I think I'll be here with the girls by myself, but hopefully we have a good day and hopefully I feel better. Thanks for watching. I'm going to hit the sack after I edit this video and upload it. I hope that you guys are enjoying. Don't forget to leave your questions down below if you want me to answer them in tomorrow's vlog, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!